Hello students, welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we have learned another concept of data structure. So dear students, in our today's session, we have learned regarding various searching techniques in data structure. So dear students, before we are starting our searching technique, first of all, we have an idea regarding searching. So basically, what is searching? So the searching is a process which is used to find an item with specified property from a collection of items. For example, suppose, dear students, you have a book. Okay, inside that book we have total 10 chapter, and I am randomly assigning you the name of one chapter that you have to find in that book. So, in that case, first of all, you can check the index of the book, what is the name of the topic, okay, which is related to specific chapter. If that name is available in the index, then you can say our search is successful. Otherwise, if that name of chapter is not available in the index of book, then you can say our search is unsuccessful. So basically, what is a searching? A searching is the process where we are finding an item on the basis of some specified properties. Okay, now there are two techniques of searching in data structure. And what are these two techniques? Our first technique is linear search and our second technique is binary search. Now there is a question in your mind, sir, what is linear search? So dear students, basically the linear search is also known as sequential search. Okay, but happen in linear search, in case of linear search, first of all you have to given a element which you have to search. Okay, then you have to given an array. Okay, after getting the finding value and the array with values, you can start to search the value one by one. Okay, you can start from the first element. Okay, if that value is available in array. Okay, if the searching value is available in the array, you can say our search is successful. Otherwise, if that value is not available in the array, then you can say our search is unsuccessful. So dear students, the basic idea behind linear search is that you have to find the element one by one. If you can find the elements, that means you are performing successful search. Otherwise, if you are not finding the elements, then your search is unsuccessful. So this is the concept behind linear search. Now we can learn the algorithm for linear search. So dear students, this is the algorithm that perform linear search. Now we can learn this algorithm with the help of this example. So dear students, in this example I am taking a one-dimensional array with 7 elements. Okay, so the starting location of array is always 0. Okay, so dear students, what happen in case of algorithm? First of all, you have to take the input array from user. Okay, suppose here I am considering this array. Then you have to find the element which you want to search. Okay, so dear students, suppose I want to search 46. What is the location of 46? Okay, then in the third step we are setting a flag variable, okay, and the initial value for flag variable is -1. Okay, now we are starting our searching mechanism. So dear students, first of all we are starting from our initial location, that is 0. That is our initial index address is 0. Then at initial address we have a value that is 10. In that case, dear students, you can see we are searching for element that is 46, and 46 is not equal to 10. In that case, our search is unsuccessful. Then we are proceeding to our next location. Now we are moving to first location. Okay, in first location we are finding an element that is 1, which is also not equal to 46. Again our search is unsuccessful. Then we are moving to our next location. In the second location we are finding an element that is 9, which is also not equal to 46. Then our search is unsuccessful here, and we are moving to next element. Okay, we are moving to next location. Now dear students, our location is 3. In 3 location we are finding an element that is 11. Again this 11 element is not equal to 46. Again our search is unsuccessful. Now we are moving to our next location. In our next location you can find 46 element. Okay, so now our finding element plus our given searching element is equal. That's mean our search is successful, and the final location for the element is 4. Okay, so the same concept is implemented. So dear students, you can see if a match is found. Okay, you can see the fourth step of our algorithm. If the match is found, then a message is printed, that is match found at position, whatever the position, and the value of flag is changed to 0, from -1 to 0. In the next step, dear students, you can see if there is no match. Here in this array we are searching for element 46. Suppose if this element is not available inside this array, then a message is printed, that is no match found. Okay, so this is our basic algorithm which is used to perform linear search. Now we are covering our program for linear search. So dear students, this is our program for linear search. Okay, so in this program, at the starting stage we have our header file, then we have our namespaces. Here we have our linear search part, where first of all inside the parenthesis we have our array, and for array we are taking a variable a which is of integer type, and secondly we have another variable that is n which is of type integer, and this variable is used for searching. Okay, or it can contain an integer value. So similarly dear students, as per our algorithm, there we are taking a flag variable, and the value of flag variable is -1. Here we are taking a temporary variable, and the value of temporary variable is -1. Next we have for loop, where we are setting the condition. Okay, if the element that we are finding is found at specific location, then that value is printed. Okay, otherwise we have another if condition, if that element is not found. Okay, whatever the working mechanism inside this linear search we have discussed in our algorithm. Then dear students, we have our main function, from where the execution is started. In this main function we have array, and this array has size, that is 5. Okay, so here first of all we have to enter the 5 elements. After entering 5 elements, you have to enter your searching element, and after entering your searching element we have our function, that is linear search. Okay, and we are making a call to our linear search function. After this call, our working mechanism which is discussed in our previous algorithm is started, and finally you can see if your searching element is available in the list, your search is successful, otherwise your search is unsuccessful. So dear students, in our today's session we have learned regarding searching and our first type of searching, that is linear search. So thank you for joining our first technique of searching, that is linear search, and thank you for joining our today session.